The question says that a horizontal overhead power line carries a current of 90 ampere in east to west direction. What is the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field due to the current 1.5 meter below the line? So we have imagined that this is the line in which current is flowing from east to west direction, and below there is a point P where we have to find out the magnetic field. Now we know that the magnetic field due to a straight current carrying wire is given by mu naught I by 2 pi r. For using this formula, we have been given the appropriate data points where we have been given the current, we have been given the r, that is the distance away from this line. So after substituting these values, we will get the value of magnetic field, and it is 12 microtesla. Now again, we can find out the direction of magnetic field by using right hand thumb rule. So from right hand thumb rule, we can say that the direction of magnetic field at this point P is out of the paper, or we can symbolize it as a dot. Thank you.